Let's start with that. See question number 1. So we want to find the y. The derivative is given, first derivative. So we have to integrate. So how do we do this one? I will rewrite this one. Dy over dx equal 3x square plus 2x. Then I have to integrate and sign both sides. Then dx both sides. So when you integrate, this will become y plus c1. When you integrate, this is become y and this is c1. That's a constant. I put c1 here. 3x3 over 3, you know how to integrate. 2x square over 2 plus c2, another constant. When you integrate, we have to put a constant. Now y equal 3 to 3 cancel out, x cube, 2 to 2 cancel out, x square, c2 here, and I'll bring this c1 to this side. Then x cube plus x square plus c2 minus c1 I can write in a one constant. C1 also constant, C2 also constant, C2 minus C1 also constant. Instead of writing two constant, I write one constant C. If you want, you can take this is D and this is E. Then D minus E value is C. You can come as a constant. It can be is any number. I'll put F if okay. I'll stay with C. Now I need to find C. So this is going to 210. So then I'll simply substitute 10 equal to y value 10 q plus 2 square plus c. 8 plus 4 plus c equal 10. 12 plus c 10. C equal 10 minus 12. So c equal minus 2. So the curve is now from here. Y equal x cube plus x square minus 2. I'll work this one differently. So that is a proper way of working, but I can get y by integrating this one. I avoid one step. Then this is going to be 3x cube over 3 plus 2x square over 2 plus c. So this is 3 to 3 cancel out, x cube, x square plus c, y. Now since curve going through 210, then answer is 10 equal 2 cube plus 2 square plus c. So 10 equal 8 plus 4 plus c, c equal minus 2. So then you can substitute. Hence the curve is y equal x square plus x cube plus x square minus 2. Part B, so we'll come to the simple way. We can find the curve y by integrating this derivative, first derivative. So this is going to be 4x cubed 2x minus 3 plus 3 dx. So this is 4x 4 over 4 plus 2x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 over minus 2 plus 3x plus c. Now this is 4 to 4 cancel out, x4. This is 2 to 2 cancel out, x minus 2 plus 3x plus c. equal x4 minus 1 over x square plus 3x plus c. Now, since curve go through 1, 4, x value is 1, y value is 4. We'll substitute. Y is 4. 4 equal 1, 4 minus 1 over 1 square plus 3 times 1 plus c. 4 equal 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus c. So this is 1 cancel out. 4 minus 3 equals c. C equal 1. Hence curve is y equal x4 1 x square plus 3x. C is 1. Part C, you can find y by integrating this one. Y equal x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, 1 over 4 x cube over 3 plus c. So this is y equal 2x3 over 2 over 3 plus 1 over 12 x cube plus c. Since curve go through 411, so we'll substitute here y equal 11, 2, 3 and x is 4, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 12, 4 to the power cube plus c. This is 11 square root 2 4 3 over 2 mean 4 half a times 3. So this is become square root 4 2. 2 to the power 3 8. So 2 times 3 8 plus 1 over 12. This is 16 times 4. Okay. 16 times 4 plus c. So this is 3 times 4 times 3. This is 4 times 1. So this is going to be 11 equal 16 over 3 plus 16 over 3 plus c. So 11 equal 32 over 3 plus c. So this is going to be cross multiply. 33 equal 32 plus 3c. So this is going to be 1 equal 3c. C equal 1 over third. So final answer is y equal 2x 3 over 2 plus 1 over 12 x to the power 3 plus 1 third. Part D. So this is y. You can find by integrating this one 3x minus half minus x dx. So x, this is become minus half, so 3x half over half minus x square over 2 plus c. So this is going to be 6x half minus x square over 2 plus 3y equals, since curve is go through 4 0. So x equal 4 y equal 0, we apply to this one, so 0 equals 6 times 4 half, then 4 square over 2 plus 3, so this is going to be 0 equal square root 4, 4 half mean 2, this is 12, 4 square 16, then divide by 2, 8 plus c, so c equal minus 4. So the curve is going to be y equal 6x half minus x square minus 4. So this is y equal integrate x plus 2 square dx. Y equal integrate x square plus 2x plus 4 dx. So y equal x cube over 3 plus 2x square over 2 plus 4x plus c. Y equal x cube over 3 plus x square plus 4x plus c. Since curve going through 1, 7, x equal 1, y equal 7, we'll apply this one. 7 equal 1 over third, 1 plus 4 plus c. So 7 equal 1 over third, 4 plus 5, 4 1 plus 5 plus c. I'll bring to 5 to here. So 7 minus 5 equal 1 third plus c is 2 equal 1 third plus c. So c equal 2 minus 1 third. This is 5 over third. I have to rework this one because this has to be 4, 4, this is 2, and then 7 equal 1 third plus 2 plus 4 plus c, c equal 1 minus 1 third. So this is 6, this is 1, 1 minus 1 third, which is 2 over third. So curve is y equal x cube over 3, 2x square plus 4x plus 2 over third. F we can find by integrating this one, x square plus 3 over x half dx. So we can write this is x square over x half plus 3 over x half dx. It means y equal 2 minus half 1.5, 3 over 2 plus 3 x minus half dx. So this is y equal x 5 over 2 over 5 over 2, 3x half over half plus c. So y equal 2 over 5 x 5 over 2 plus 6x half plus c. Since curve go through 0, 1, so x value is going to be 0. So x 0, y 1. So then 1 equals 0 plus 0 plus c equal 1. Hence the curve is going to be y equal 2 over 5, x 5 over 2, 6x half plus 1. Question number 2. We need to find the curve as usual. So we need to find fx. So then we have to integrate f dash x. So this is integrate 2x cube x minus 2 dx. This is x minus 2. So this is 2x4 over 4 minus x minus over minus 1 plus c. So this is half x4 minus divide plus and 1 over x plus c. Now since fx is going through point 90, sorry, 1 2, so we'll apply here. So this is 2 half x4 mean x equal 1, so that is 1. This is 1 over 1 1 c. So this is going to be 1 and half. 2 equal 1.5 plus c. C equal half. So the curve is going to be fx equal half x4 plus 1 over x plus half. Y equal integration square root x, so x square plus 3 over x square dx. This is going to be y equal x minus 3 over 2 plus 3x minus 2 dx. Y equal x minus half over minus half plus 3 x minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So y equal minus 2x minus half. So minus half I'll bring over like this, and then this is minus plus times 3 over x plus c. Actually I go with one more step, which is not good, and so this will improve your accuracy. So 3x minus 1 plus c. Then we'll go back to it. X square root x minus 3 over x plus c. Now since curve going through 9 0, so x equal 9, y equal 0. So this is going to be 0 minus 2 over square root 9 minus 3 over 9 plus c. So 0, this is going to be 3 over 9 plus c. Then multiply by 3 minus 6 over 9 minus 3 over 9 plus c. So this is going to be minus 9 over 9 plus c. So c equal 1. Hence curve is going to be y equal minus 2 over square root x minus 3 over x plus 1. You can write 1 minus 2 over square root x minus 3 over x. F dash x, fx is when you integrate 9x square plus 4x minus 3 dx. So this is 9x cubed over 3 plus 4x square over 2 minus 3x plus c. This is fx. So this is yes, 9 divided by 3, 3x cubed plus 2x square minus 3x plus c, fx. Since curve is going through this point, minus 1 0, 0 equal x equals -1 and fx equals 0. So 0 equal um, -3. We'll do proper job. 3 minus 1 cube plus 2 minus 1 square minus 3 times -1 plus c. So this is going to be -3 plus 2 plus 3 c. So this is cancel out, c equal -2. So the curve is going to be fx equal 3x cubed 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Y equals, so this number 5. So y you can get when we integrate, can get 2. This is x, this is 1, this is 1 half, this is 3 over 2 dx. So y equal, this is 3x half divided by half minus 2x5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 plus. So this is 6x half. This is 4x5 by 2 over 5 plus c. This is y. Since curve go through 410, x equal 4, y equal 10, will apply. Y value is 10. This is 6 times 4 square root 4 times 4, 5 over 2 over 5 plus c. So 10 equal, this is 6 times 2, 12. This is 4. 5 over 2 mean 4 half a times 5. So this is 2 times 5, which is 32. So 4 times 32 over 5 plus c. So 10 equal to 128 over 5 plus c. So c equal 118 over 5. So the curve is going to be y equals 6x half 4 over 5 x 5 over 2 plus 118 over 5. So this one we want to write question number 6. In when you read 6xp plus 5x cube. So it is simple. So 6x over x half plus 5x 2 over x half. So this is going to be 6x1 times x minus half plus 5x3 over 2 times x minus half. So this is going to be 6x half plus 5 x. 3.2 mean 1.5. When you take 5 out, 0.5 out, it is 1. So this is 1. So this is 6x half plus 5x1. So p equal half and q equal 1. Now dy over dx equal 6x half plus 5x1. So y equal integration 6x half plus 5x1 dx. So y equal 6x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 5x square over 2 plus c. So y equal, this is 2x 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 x square plus c. So since curve go through point 900, so x equal 9 and y equal 100. So let's apply 100 equal, actually I'll bring it to here. So 100 equal 2 to the power, x value is 9. 9, 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2, 9 square plus c. 2 times 27. Take a square root. When you see, take square root to 9, 3. 3 times 3, 27. So 5 by 2 and 81 plus c. Here 3 times 2, 2 times 2, this has to be 4. So this has to be 4. So then 100, 108. This is going to be 5, 4, 2 plus c. So c equal minus 421 over 2. So the curve is y equal 4x3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 x square minus 421 over 2. Question number 7. When you read, you can see that they will give f0 is 0. So what is the meaning of that? When x equals 0, fx value is 0. It means this is what? Going to 0, 0. Fx mean y. So now we'll work out. We want to find ft, function ft. So f dash t is given 10 minus 5t. Then we need function. For that we need to integrate this one. So we are at 1. So we need to go to 0, the function. So dt. So we are at first derivative and we need to go to no derivatives. This is going to be 10t, 5t square 2 plus c, ft. Now we need to use this information. Since ft satisfy 0, 0, when x equals 0, y equals 0 apply. So if 0 equal 10, 0 minus 5 over 2 0 square plus c equals 0. F0 is 0. Sorry. Now c value is 0. So ft equal 10t minus 5t square over 2. Now we found the equation function now. Now we want to find the displacement when t equal to. So displacement when t equal 3. Yeah, so this is simply we need to substitute here now. 10t minus 5t square over 2. So this is going to be f3 t equal 3. 10 times 3, 5 3 square over 2. 30 minus 9, 3 square 9 times 5 45 over 2. So 60, 2 times 60 minus 15 over 2, which is 7.5. Question number 8. So arrow is fired from a castle, and this is my picture for it. They give f0 is 35. It means when t equals 0, actually in the previous number 7, I said x equals 0, f0 is 0. So that has to be t equals 0, ft equals 0. So that is because function is not xt. So here when t equals 0, ft equal 35. It means this is going to 0 35 points. Now we want to find question number A. Find ft. Right, ft mean if you know f dash t, we can integrate. That is minus 9.8 t dt. So this is 9.8 t square over 2 plus c. So we have ft, half of ft. Now we'll substitute. Since ft satisfy, it has to be in opposite way. Since I think somewhere I wrote wrongly, errorly. So it had to be since 0 35 satisfy ft. I think in the previous sum I wrote the other way around, but it is you know what it is basically. Ft so x equals 0, ft equal 35. So we'll substitute 35 equal 9.8 t square, sorry this is t, 0 over 2 plus c equal 35. So the curve is ft equal 9.8 t square 2 plus 35. Part B, determine the arrow when t equal 1.5. So we want to find f 1.5. This is the replacement. 4.9 1.5 square plus 35. So the answer 23.975. That means after somewhere. This is the highest when t equal 1.5. C. Write down the height of the castle according to the model. Right. Castle height you will get when t equals 0. So we'll put substitute. So when f0 is 4.90 square plus 35, which is 35. So castle height is 35. So the other one D, when it hits the ground, we want to find the time. So it means ft value is height is 0. When let's say t equal t1, when t equal t1, if t1 is 0, In other way, this is a curve, right? This is t-axis, this is ft. When you know that when it's come to x-axis, no, t-axis, y value, no, ft value is 0. Then you want, so same thing, right? So I will take t1 out, so we will stay with the general sense. But the accurate one is this way. When t equal t1, if t1 is 0, where it hits the flow. So at t equal t1, if t1 equal 4.9 t1 square plus 35, but if t1 equals 0, now we want to solve this equation. 4.9 t1 square equal 35. t1 square equal 35 over 4.9. So t1 equal plus or minus square root 35 over 4.9, and we have to get the positive value. t1 equal plus, as this is a time. I think this is going to be 2.67 seconds. So each the assumption is ground is flat. Sometimes some they may no air restrictions, air resistance considered, or this kind of answers. You can write it is according to the sum.